Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig getting new sandals.
Let's start drawing.
At first I'm going to draw Peppa Pig. Let's draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms. And finally, her two legs. Oh, she only has one shoe on! Now I draw a chair on which she is sitting. Now let's draw Miss Rabbit next to her. I draw her eyes, then the shape of her head, her smiling mouth, her cheek, and her nose. Now let's draw her body. Her arm. In her hand, she is holding a sandal. Then the other hand. Oh, she is just helping Peppa to try on a sandal. One is already on. Let's draw a line here for the ground. Next to her, I draw the box of the sandal. Now let's draw the shoe store behind her. I draw many shelves, and I draw different types of shoes onto them. Boots, sports shoes, sandals, slippers, and so on. So fun! Fantastic!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's color Peppa Pig first. For her skin, I'm going to use this pink color. I use light purple for her cheek. I color her dress red. Red, it's the favorite color of Peppa Pig. I use this blue marker for her chair. Now let's color Miss Rabbit. Her skin is going to be a cream color. I use light purple for her cheek and pink for her nose. I color her dress yellow. And her shoes, too. Can you guess what color is going to be Peppa's new sandals? Yes, red! I color the shoe box light green. Now let's color the shoes behind. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red, orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, then light purple, purple, and pink. Now I start again. I start with red, orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, then light purple. Oh, how many shoes the store has! And finally, aqua blue. I use this brown marker for the floor. And a little aqua blue into the background. Fantastic!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.